by A plus y by B is equal to 1. What is meant by this? Can you please let me know? In class 9 and 10, you were taught like this. You see, okay, this is O, this is X, this is Y, right? So if a line is drawn, then this point is, can you tell me, A comma 0, okay? And this point is, let me know, 0 comma B. Are you getting me? So it is a right angle triangle. What is its area? Who can tell me? Half into base into height. Suppose it is A and it is
স্যার,
B. Yes,
এটা কত নাম্বার অঙ্ক করাচ্ছেন?
just I am making you understand. Okay. So what is the area of triangle OAB? OAB, what is the area? Half into OA into OB, right? That means half OA means A and OB means B. So we are getting half of AB. I think you know this, right? You were taught it also in class 8, but you try to understand with the help of integration. Okay, by applying definite integral, we will now find the area. This is done. Okay, this is the part of class 8, but you see, we can write here y by b is equal to 1 minus x by a. That means y is equal to b into 1 minus x by a, right? Always you will find the value of y. Have you got my point? Always you will find the value of y. Now we are going to find the area. Write down the required area is equal to integration y dy. Always you have to write it. I'm sorry, not dy, y dx. Extremely sorry. Always you have to find this. Area is equal to y dx. This is y. Okay, this is y dx. Now the question is, I told you we have to find the area.
স্যার
Yes.
স্যার এবারটা একটু রিপিট করবেন আবার?
Okay, very good. What is to do? At first you have to find the value of y. Okay, is it? Okay, now from any equation we have to find the value of y. Now you see, what is the area? Area is y dx. Now I have not finished yet. Y. Now limit. Can you please let me know? The limit means what? I told you for the first day, limit is what? From x equals to a or and x equals to b. Can you remember upper limit and lower limit? Okay. So please let me know what is the value of x. I told you here the value of x. So here the value of x will be written. Value of x will be written. Can you please let me know value of x means what? This is the x-axis. So values of x will lie here. Okay. So its lower value, what is the lower value? Is 0. I am telling for x and the upper value is what? A. Just wait. Sorry. So anyway, it is 0, right? Value of x is here 0 and value of x is here a. So definitely 0 will be the lower limit and a will be the upper limit. Have you got me? Now, dear students, you see, we can write here, it is a, it is 0. What is the value of y? Y is b 1 minus x by a dx. Have you seen it? Now please differentiate it. How to differentiate? You see, after that we can write down, now we are getting It is 1. 1 dx means what? Talk to me. 1 dx means x. Is it 1 dx? 1 dx means what? X. Now, x by a, that is minus x square by 2a, and value is 0 to a. Have you got me? All of you, please.
Yes, sir.
Now, put the value, go for putting the value b. Now, it is what? X equals to a minus a square by 2a. Now, for 0, all will be 0. Now, calculate it. b a minus a by 2, a minus a by 2. So, if we calculate here, we'll get a by 2. That means b into a by 2. So, we are getting half ab. Have you seen its area is half ab? And by you applying the definite integral formula, we have also got the area of this triangular region as by half AB. Okay, I have just tried my level best to make you understand actually what happens here. Is it okay to all? Talk to me, all of you. Hello, everybody. If you fail to understand, please let me know. Hello, everybody.
স্যার বুঝেছি।
Okay. Okay. Now, let's go to exercise 10.7, question number 1. You see, find the area bounded by the curve. The curve is given y is equal to x square. Okay. And x-axis, you write down x-axis and the lines, x equals to 2 and x equals to 5. Okay. What is meant by this? You have to know at first. Okay, y is equal to x square. Suppose this is the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, this is O. Y equal to x square. Can you draw the figure? Yes, we can. It will be like that. Okay, it is y equals to x square. Though it is not required to draw the figure in the exam hall for this math. So it is y equals to x square. Okay. If x equals to 0, y equals to 0. If x equals to 1, then y equals to 1. If x equals to 2, y equals to 4. This type. In this way, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4. In this way. Okay. If x equals to minus 1, suppose, then y equals to 1. Minus 1, y 1. If x equals to minus 2, if x equals to minus 2, y equals to 4. You put the value, y equals to 4. So if x equals to minus 2, y equals to 4, this type of, okay. Anyway, so we have to find the area. What the area we have to find? This is x and this is y, okay. X equals to 2. Suppose this is 1, this is 1, and this is, suppose, this is 2. This is 2. So it is x equals to 2. This is known as x equals to 2. Okay. Now you see x equals to 5. You see it is 3, it is 4, it is 5. Now you see it is x equals to 5. Now what the area we have to find here? Can you please let me know? We have to find the area x-axis and x equals to 2, x equals to 5. That means this area. This area is to be found. Talk to me, all of you, please. Hello, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay. X equals to 2 and x equals to 5. Very good. So required area, you see, the required area equals to what? I told you y dx. What is the value of x? Value of x is from 2 to 5. Have you got me? You see, it is written x equals to 2, x equals to 5. It is written. So we don't have anything to do here. Now you see, this is 5, this is 2. What is the value of y? Y is x square dx. Okay. Now you integrate x square means what? X cube by 3. Now you see, this is 5 and this is 2. Is it? So we can write here 1 by 3 x equals to 5 cube minus x equals to 2 cube. Now let me know what is the result. 5 cube is 125, 2 cube is 8. 125 minus 8 equals to what? 125 minus 8, that is 117. 117 by 3, that is 39 square unit. The area is, yes, we have got our answer. The area is 39 square unit. I mean, area of this part, as I have marked here, okay, is 39 square unit. Very interesting math. Talk to me, all of you. This is called the application. Okay.
স্যার মুইছেন না
স্যার
Yes.
আপনি ওই যে দেখাচ্ছিলেন না এরিয়া ইকুয়ালস টু হাফ এবি ফিগার দিয়ে, ওখান
Yes.
থেকেই কি আজকে শুরু করেছেন?
Yes, you are right. Okay. Suppose it is given question number 1, 2. What is given? You see, it is y dx. Question number 1, 2. And values of x are 1, 3. Talk to me, all of you. You see, it is given in the question that x equals to 1, x equals to 3. It is given 1 and 3. Please talk to me, all of you. In the question, it is given the values are 1 and 3. Now, what is the value of y? The value of y is, you see, 3, 1. Y equals to what? Given in the question, x cube dx. Now, can you do it? Yes, we can do it. It is what? 1 by 4, x to the power 4, 3, 1. Is it? I mean, x to the power 4 by 4, but I have taken 1 by 4 outside the third bracket. Is it okay? Now, you put the value 1 by 4, x equals to 3, 3 to the power 4 minus 1 to the power 4. So 3 to the power 4 is what? 81 minus 1, 80, 80 by 4. 80 divided by 4 is equals to what? 20 square unit. So we have got our answer. Is it? I think you have copied it. You have to understand. You cannot memorize any math. Now we are going to next question. 1, 3. It is given x equals to 1, 3, x equals to 1, 3, y dx. Now you see, this is 3, this is 1. What is the value of y? Is given in the question. It is x square dx. So I am not going to do this math. Okay. Okay, very good. It is what? X cube by 3. It is 3, it is 1. That means 1 by 3, 3 cube minus 1 cube. 3 cube 26. This is 26 by 3 square unit. So I think you, the students, have come to know. Okay. Now going to question number 2. Okay. What is given here? It is given x-axis and the line x equals to 2. Question number 2, you see, Question number 2. The equation is given. It is y equals to 3x. It is 0, it is x, it is y. You see, y is equal to 3x. And it is also given x equals to 2. It is 1, it is 2. Suppose it is the line x equals to 2. Now we have to find the area. You know, it is told x-axis. This is x-axis. We have to find the area. Because you see, this is with x-axis. Okay. Now, can you please let me know? Can you please let me know what will be our limit? It is y, it is dx, not a matter. Very good. It is given x equals to 2. So without any hesitation, it is 2. Now let me know what will be its lower limit. From which it has been started? From 0, right? So it is 0, not given, but we have to write here 0 because it has been started from 0. You have to understand this 0 is not given in the question, but you have to get it. Now you see, it is 2, it is 0, it is 3x dx. Now 3x dx means what? 3x square by 2, and this is 2, this is 0, which implies that 3 into 2 square by 2 minus 0. So minus 0, you understand? All will be 0. So our answer is 6 square unit. I think you have got it. It is really very interesting math and it is to enjoy. Okay, so you have to enjoy it. Okay, it is not that you will memorize. Question number 3. Given xy equals to c square. That means from here, I told you from the very beginning, we are bound to find the value of y. It is what? C square by x. Okay. Now you see the area, the required area is equal to what? Y dx. Very good. So x-axis and the lines x equals to a, x equals to b, x equals to a, and x equals to b. Okay, we carry on. It is given in the question. That means it is b, it is a, it is c square by x dx. Okay. So, well, we do one thing. Sorry. We take c square, it is constant, c square at first. It is b, it is a, 1 by ax dx. Okay. Now let me know 1 by x means what? Ln x. Ln x. This is b, this is a. Now put the value c square ln b minus ln a. That means we are getting c square. For subtraction, it is divided b by a square unit. Have you got it? Hello, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
স্যার এই এক্সারসাইজের সব ম্যানগুলাই কি এরকম?
I mean, you are in the initial part. Anyway, not okay. All the maths are of this type, but of different categories. Now it is a different category. X by 6, y by 5 is equal to 1. Can you draw the figure? What is meant by that? Talk to me at first. It is O, it is X, it is Y. X by 6, suppose It is x by 6. It is 6 comma 0. It is y by 5. So it will be 0 comma 5. Is it? So this is the equation. Can you tell me please what the area? Half into 6 into 5. Its area is 15 square unit. Okay, 15. It is 6 and it is 5. So 5, 6 are 30 divided by 2. So it is 15. Now you see how to do this math. Okay, we can write down y by 5 is equal to 1 minus x by 6. So y equal to 5, 1 minus x by 6. Okay. So required area is equal to what? Y dx. Now let me know, all of you, y dx. What is the lower limit? You see,
0.
yes, you are absolutely right. This is the triangle whose area is to be found. So for x, the lower value is 0. Okay? It is not minus 2. It is not only 1. Lower value is 0. And upper value here is s by 6, right? So we can write here, this is 0 and this is 6. And you see it is 6, it is 0, it is 5 into 1 minus x by 6 dx. That means it is 5, third bracket, for 1 it is x, for x it is x square by 2, 2 6 are 12. It is 6, it is 0. Okay, everybody. Now it is 5, put the value, x equals to 6 minus 6 square by 12, for 0, everything is 0. Now it is 5, 6 minus, this is 3. So you see, we have got 15 square unit. 15 square unit, that I told you at first. This is 6 and this is 5, half into base into height. Half into base into height, we are getting 15. Is it okay? Hello, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it is okay.
Now, if I give you another math, question number 2, you see, now question number 2, it is written x by 10, x by 10, y by b is equal to 1. Okay? What is meant by this? At first, you have to get it. 10, 0, 10, 0, it is 0, b. Suppose it is 0, b. This is b, okay? This is b, 0, b. Is it? So we have to find this area. It is 0, 0. Now, from here, we can write down y by b is equal to 1 minus x by 10. That is y equal to b 1 minus x by 10. Is it okay? Now, the area is, what is the area? The area is equal to y dx. And the limits of x from 0 to 10. As I told you, it is 0, it is 10. Now you see, we can write here, this is 10, this is 0, b into 1 minus x by 10. dx. Now you find the area. Sorry, integrate it at first. This is b. As I told you, 1 dx means what? X. X means x square by 2. Here 2 into 10, that is 20. Okay. Third bracket, it is 10. It is 0. Now we can put the value. That is, we can write down b at first. X is 10. 10 minus 10 square by 20. So b into 10 minus 5. That means 5b square unit. We are not done yet. In the question, it is told, according to the question, it is given that area is this 5b is, in the question it is given, 5b is given as by 500 square unit. So b equals to what? 100. It is the answer. We were to find the value of b. Have you got me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, the most important math that will be given in the exam, and there is no other alternative. Okay, you mind it that it will be given, and it will be given. Question number 5.1. X square plus y square equals to what? 16. Okay, it is what? 4 square? Is it? We can write it like this: x square plus y square equals to what? 4 square? Is it? Talk to me. So what is the radius? Radius is what? 4. Hello everybody. So what is this area? Pi r square. Pi into 4 square. So we have got its answer is 16 pi. Talk to me. But what we have done, this is the part of class 9 and 10. Or even class 8, exercise 10.3. If radius you know, then area is pi r square. So radius is what? 4. Pi into 4 r is 4 square. That means 16 pi. This is the part of class 8. Very good. Now you see what I'm going to do here. Suppose, okay, okay, now we have drawn a circle. It is O, it is X, it is Y. This is 4. This is 4. This is 4. And this is 4. Radius 4. Okay. So from this equation, we get y square is equal to 16 minus x square. That means y is equal to plus minus root over 16 minus x square. Please try to understand. Okay. For first quadrant, y equals to what? Root over 16 minus x square. Please try to understand. Now you see area of the first quadrant. Area of the first quadrant. Not the first quadrant. Okay, you write down whole the area. Just write down required area. Okay, you please try to understand. This is root over 16 minus x square dx. Dear students, here it was plus minus, but I have not considered plus minus. Area cannot be negative. Number one. Number two, it is the area in the first quadrant, this part only. And you know, this part, all the parts are equal. So if I find the area of this part, and if I multiply by 4, then actually we are getting the area of the whole parts. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Now, the limits are from 0, it is 0. And it is what? Who can tell me? It is the point
So
what?
4,
4
4, 0.
comma 0. So we are getting here 4. Now please talk to me. Is it okay? Now, let x equals to 4 sine theta. Therefore, dx equals to 4 cos theta. When x equals to 4, theta equals to pi by 2. When x equals to 0, theta equals to 0. I think all of you have got me. X equals to 4 will be omitted. So sine theta equals to 1. 1 means what? Pi by 2. Therefore, the area is equal to, the limits are 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2. It is 4. Write down 4 at first. It is root over 16 minus x. X means what? 4 sine theta. 16 sine square theta. Dx means what? 4 cos theta. 4 cos theta d theta. Have you got me? And you did about 5 to 6 maths of this type. Now you see it is 4. It is pi by 2. It is 0. Here 4 can be taken. 1 minus cos theta. This is another 4 cos theta. And it is d theta. Okay. So we are getting 4 plus the 16, 64. Okay, we are getting 64, right? We are getting 64. So we can write here 32. Pi by 2, 0, 2 cos square theta d theta.
স্যার বাইরের 4টা কই গেল?
I have calculated 4 plus 16 into 4, 64. 32 into 2 equals to 64. Okay. This is 0. Pi by 2. 2 cos square theta means what? 1 plus cos 2 theta d theta. That means 32 theta plus half sine 2 theta. pi by 2, it is 0. Now you put the value 32, it is pi by 2 plus half sine pi. Okay, it is 0. Sine pi means what? 0. So we are getting, you see, this part is 0, so 16 pi. Can you remember? If it is 4, then pi r square. That means pi radius 4. That means 16 pi. So we have got our answer, 16 pi square unit. I mean, in the exam hall, you will come to know your answer. Very interesting math. Talk to me. Hello, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Now, question number 5.2. It is, you see, the same math. It is given as by x square plus y square equals to 4. Its answer will be 4 pi, right? Radius is 2. Radius is 2, so pi into 2 square, that is 4 pi. So can you do this math at home?
Yes, sir.
You must do, okay? Please. As 5.1 must do at home. Okay. Question number 5.3. You see, find the area bounded by the circle. Same thing. X square plus y square equals to a square. Same thing. Here limit will be 0 to a. Here limit will be 0 to 2. Okay. So its area will be what? Radius is a. So pi a square. It is also homework. Okay, everybody. Going to question number 6.1. X square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1. Who can do it? Or is there anyone here to do this math?
আগে y এর ভ্যালু বের করব না স্যার?
Yes, you're right. So it can be written, you know, it is x square by 3 square plus y, right now like this, y square by 2 square equals to 1. It is in the format of this type of. Whose equation is this? Let me know. Ellipse. Okay. When you will read conics, then you will come to know about this a lot. So whose equation is this? It is the equation of an ellipse. What is ellipse? This is ellipse. Okay. If a greater than b, then this will be a major axis. B is smaller, so it is minor axis. This is called ellipse. Okay. Now from here we can write down, that is y square by 4. Y square by 4 is equal to 1 minus x square by 9. That means y square equals to 4, 1 minus or we can write down here 9 minus x square. Is it okay? That is, we can write down y square is equal to 4 by 9 into 9 minus x square. That means y is equal to plus minus 2 by 3 root over 9 minus x square. Okay. For first quadrant, if I find the value of first quadrant, the area of the first quadrant, and if I multiply all by 4, then we'll get the whole area. So for first quadrant, we get y is equal to 2 by 3 root over 9 minus x square. Now what is happening here? You see, this is the ellipse. Its equation was, you write down, x square by 3 square plus y square by 2 square is equal to 1. That means this is 3, this is 3, this is 2, this is 2. So this point is 3, 0. This is 0, 0. Now what we are going to do, actually this 2 is not required anywhere. Actually we are going to find this area of this part at first. Only this part. Okay? So required area, suppose we'll find this area, but if I multiply by 4, then we'll find whole the area. Have got me? These and these are equal. These and these are equal. This all are equal. Is it okay? So 4 into 2 by 3 root over 9 minus x square dx. Now, what is the limit? You see, it is 0, 0 and it is 3. So you can write it 0, it is 3. Talk to me. Now, we can write it here 4 to the 8 by 3. It is 3, it is 0. Root over 9 minus x square dx. Let now, okay, not a matter. Let x equals to 3 sine theta. Is it? That means we are getting dx equals to 3 cos theta d theta. Are you getting it? Okay. When x equals to 3, we get theta equals to pi by 2. When x equals to 0, we get theta equals to 0. That means we are getting here 8 by 3. It is theta equals to pi by 2 and it is 0. Okay. Root over 9 minus, what is the value of x? 3 sine theta. 9 sine square theta. What is the value of dx? 3 cos theta. 3 cos theta d theta. I have just put the values, nothing else I have done. Now, you see, it is 8 by 3, pi by 2, 0. 9 outside the square root, it is 3. 1 minus sin square theta, that is cos theta. It is 3 cos theta. It is d theta. Okay. Now you again see these 3 will be omitted. So we can write down 3 is the 24. That is 12 pi by 2 0 2 cos square theta d theta. That means 12 pi by 2 0 1 plus cos 2 theta d theta. That means 12 third bracket theta plus half sine 2 theta. It is pi by 2 and obviously it is 0. Now please go for putting the values. I don't know you are here or not. Theta equals to pi by 2 plus half sine pi. Sine pi. So we are getting 6 pi. And it is the answer. All of you, pay attention. Hello everybody.
जी सर.
Are you there?
ना सर.
Oh, you are not here. So where are you?
सर बासाय.
Okay. Here there means your home. Anyway, next math. 6 2. It is 9x square plus 4y square is equal to 36. This is the math. You have to divide all terms by 36. That is 9x square by 36. 4y square by 36 equals to 1. That is, we are getting x square by 4 plus y square by 9 equals to 1. From here, you have to write down x square by 2 square plus y square by 3 square is equal to 1. That means y square by 9 is equal to 1 minus x square by 4. From here, we can write down. So y square is equal to 9, 1 minus x square by 4. Right? So you can write down y square equals to 9 by 4, 4 minus x square. Y equal to plus minus 3 by 2 root over 4 minus x square. Now the first quadrant, like the previous math, your limits will be 0 to 2 and everything is same. Have got me? What will be the limit? X, below x it is 2. So your limit will be 0 to 2. Its answer will be 3 to the 6, that is 6 pi. Like the previous math, same answer. Is it okay? So I'm not going to do this math anymore. Okay, have the same pattern, same get up. So you will do it at home after that. Normal calculation, very, very easy calculation. Okay. Do you like to do another math or you like to finish here today?
सर
হ্যাঁ
आपका
এটা করা
इच्छा.
যায়।
Because Number of students has been decreased. We have to find the area x square plus y square 25 and x equals to 3. What is meant by this? We have to understand. It means x square plus y square is equal to 5 square and x equals to 3. Okay. So you see, this is a okay. So we can draw a circle like this. That means it is 5. Someone is making sound. It is 5. 5. It is 5. 5 means what? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5. 5 comma 0. But in this question, something else is given, that is x equals to 3. So whose equation is x equals to 3? It is 1, it is 0, it is O, it is 1, 2, 3. It is x equals to 3. Please try to understand. This is x equals to 3. Okay. Now, whose area is to find here? We have to find the area of this part. Area of this part is to find. Hello, everybody. Are you getting me?
G, sir.
Okay.
স্যার,
Yes.
আপনি যেই পার্টটা কালার করেছেন তার অপোজিট পার্টটার এরিয়া বের করার কথা না?
I'm not getting you. Opposite part means for this part. Here?
না 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 স্যার,
Here?
হ্যাঁ,
No, no,
আহ,
no. No, 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 no. You see what is written in this question. Find the area of the smaller part. Clearly, it is written smaller part. In the question, it is written smaller part. So this on the smaller part of the circle. Okay. Outside this smaller part, it is the larger part. I think you have book. We have book with you. It is written the area of the smaller part is to find. Have got me? Okay.
ওর সাথে তো মিলে না সব ম্যাথ।
It is not written in the book. Hello.
পাচ্ছি না তো স্যার।
Okay. 25 minus x square. We can write it. Okay. That means y is equal to root over this type. So for the first quadrant, we get y equals to 25 minus x square. Okay. Now you see, you please try to understand. Now what will you do? Talk to me. I am going to find, you please try to understand. At first, we have to find this whole area, but now we will find only the area of the upper part. Are you getting me? Talk to me. This area,
Yes, sir.
this area, is it? So we can write here, required area is equal to 2. 2 means you understand what is meant by 2. Here, this part and this part. Okay. What is the limit? It is 3 and it is 5. So the limits are 3, 5. Root over 25 minus x square. Talk to me, all of you, where you have failed to understand. Hello, everybody. Are you getting it? You see it is 3. X equals to 3. It is 5. Now, what is to do? I know that you know better than me because you have done a lot of maths on this. X equals to what? 5 sine theta. So dx equal to what? 5 cos theta. When x equals to 5, theta equals to 5 will be omitted, pi by 2. When x equals to 3, theta equals to what? It is 3. So we are getting theta equals to sine inverse. Sine inverse, it is 3, right? 3 by 5. Is equal to, area is equal to, it is 2. It is sine inverse 3 by 5. Sine inverse 3 by 5. And it is pi by 2. Okay. Root over 25 minus x equals to 5 sine theta. That is 25 sine square theta. And what is the value of dx? Dx is equal to 5 cos theta d theta. Okay. That means 2 pi by 2 sine inverse 3 by 5. Now you see 25 out of the square root is 5. Then 1 minus sine square theta, that is cos theta, 5 cos theta. This is another 5, 25. It is cos theta, cos square theta, d theta. That means we can write it 25, it is pi by 2, sine inverse 3 by 5, 2 cos square theta d theta, 2 cos square theta d theta. Now, like the previous math, you calculate here. That means we are getting here 25, 25. This is pi by 2, sine inverse 3 by 5, 2 cos square theta. That means 1 plus cos 2 theta d theta. So we are getting here 25. It is 1. 1 means what? Theta plus half sine 2 theta. It is pi by 2. It is sine inverse 3 by 5. It is a peculiar math, as here you see sine inverse 3 by 5. Then what is to do? You see, this is 25. Write down theta plus half into 2 sine theta, 2 sine theta cos theta. Okay, this is pi by 2. This is sine inverse 3 by 5. And you see, this will be omitted. Okay, now go for putting the values. Pi by 2, that means 25. Theta, theta means what? Pi by 2 plus sine pi by 2 cos pi by 2 minus 25. Theta equals to what? Sine inverse 3 by 5. Then sine theta cos theta plus sine theta. Theta equals to what? Sine inverse 3 by 5. Sine inverse 3 by 5. Okay. Then dot cos theta. Dot cos theta. Cos theta equals to what? Sine inverse 3 by 5. The value of theta is sine inverse 3 by 5. Now, you see, this is 25 pi by 2. 25 pi by 2. This is cos pi by 2, 0. Minus 25. It is sine inverse 3 by 5 plus sine will be omitted, only 3 by 5 dot cosine. Actually, what is sine inverse 3 by 5? It is theta, it is 3, it is 5. Then it is 4, right? By Pythagoras theorem. Sine 3 by 5, sine inverse 3 by 5. So it is 4. So I can write for, this is cosine, it must be written as cosine inverse 4 by 5. Please try to understand. Sine inverse 3 by 5 has been expressed in the form of cosine inverse 4 by 5. That means 25 pi by 2, okay, minus 25 into sine inverse 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5, 4 by 5. 3 by 5 into 4 by 5, it will be omitted, will be repulsed. That means we are getting 25 by 2 minus 25 sine inverse 3 by 5 minus 5 5 the 25, 25 will be omitted, 3 4 the 12. Perhaps this is the answer. Yes, this is the answer. If this math is given in the exam, yes, you all will fail to do. Let me know.
cos inverse 4 by 5 কেমনে আসলো এটা আমি বুঝি নাই।
Not a matter. What was the math? Sine inverse? Let me know. Theta was what? Sine inverse 3 by 5, right? What is meant by this? It is sine theta equals to 3 by 5, right?
Yes, sir.
If it is 3, if it is 5, then what is the value of this base? 4?
Yes, sir.
Now you have got it. For cosine, it will be base by hypotenuse.